How does your body heal a cut and how are babies created? Surprisingly, both depend on two powerful processes inside your cell, mitosis and meiosis. In this video, we will understand the difference between mitosis and meiosis in a very simple and clear way. Mitosis was discovered by Walter Fleming in 1879. Meiosis was described by Edward von Beneden in 1883. Imagine this right now. Inside your body, trillions of cells are continuously dividing. Some of them are making two identical daughter cells, helping body to grow and repair. And but other one cells divides twice and produce four daughter cells. They create completely unique cells that make human life possible. Two powerful biological processes control these incredible systems: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis. Mitosis happens in four stages. Prophase. The DNA condenses into chromosomes and the nuclear membrane begins to disappear. Metaphase. Chromosomes line up in the center of the cell. Anaphase. Sister chromatids separate and move to the opposite sides. Telophase. Two new nuclei forms and cell divide. Produce two identical daughter cells. Stages of mitosis in onion root tip. Stages of meiosis. But when it comes to reproduction, the cell was using a different process, meiosis. It happens in two rounds of division, creating four unique cells. Meiosis 1. In prophase 1, chromosomes pair up and exchange genetic material in a process called crossing over. This is one reason why every human is genetically unique. In metaphase 1, paired chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Anaphase 1, the chromosomes pairs separate and move to the opposite poles. Finally, telophase 1 forms two new cells, each with half the number of chromosomes. Meiosis 2. Now process repeats. In prophase 2, chromosomes condense again. During metaphase 2, they line up in the center. In anaphase 2, sister chromatids finally separate, and in telophase 2, the cell division divides again. At the end of meiosis, four genetically different cells are produced, each with half the original chromosome number. So remember this simple trick. Through mitosis, our body is making identical body cells. Through meiosis, our body is making the reproductive cells. Both processes are essential for life, growth, and reproduction. If you enjoyed learning something new about this cell, please subscribe to Life Science with Yamini for more simple biology videos. Thanks for watching.